Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Nandu's Cookbook. Today I have come up with quick and healthy sweet recipe, Peanut Ladoo. You can make it with just 2 ingredients. So let's start. I have taken 125 grams of peanuts, roasted peanuts. Peel the skin of peanuts and transfer it to a mixer jar. For 125 grams of peanuts, I have taken 1/4 cup of powdered jaggery and cardamom seeds. Close the lid and make a coarse powder of it. If you prefer more sweetness, you can increase the quantity of jaggery. Give a pulse till the oil releases from peanuts. Transfer it to a plate and make ladoos. Here I have not added ghee. You can add it if required. Peanuts is one of the healthiest weight gaining food for growing kids. This recipe makes healthiest snack for kids. So friends, try out this recipe. Very easy to make with just 2 ingredients. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's Cookbook for more recipes.